Hey guys, today we're going to be playing some airplane story. So let's see, where are the places? Wait, hold on. Well, looks like we're gonna have a lot of people. Anywho. Okay, so I have C9. So here's 9. C9. C9. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard to flight 1911. We are currently flying at an altitude of 333,000 feet above the sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the plane. Okay. Oh, this guy's a novice? Anyways. Now please find your seat, as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Weird, but anyways, I trust it. Oh no. I lost health. Oh, no wonder. Oh, okay, this is bad. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everyone. How come I can't sit down? There. Hello everyone, we're the crew members. We will be serving delicious sandwiches. Enjoy! You know, I actually don't trust it, so. Anyways, I need to be healed. Me. Who can heal me? Uh-oh. We're on a wild goose chase. Oh, I found it. Wait, whose is it again? I found it. Alright. Phew. That was a close one. good afternoon to all passengers. I will inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Okay. Uh-oh. It appears that we have lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look! What is that on the right wing? It's the beast. You will not survive. Are those snakes? Ah! They will not kill me. Sandwiches heal you? Yeah, good. Oh no. Open restroom. Restroom. Where's the restroom? Okay. Heal me. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Power is back up. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Thanks. Your attention, passenger.
You slept with the shorts. They were not tight. Okay, drink more water.
The good news is that the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen masks will drop from your seats. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Oh no. Oh my God. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no! Where's the bomb? Okay, what do we have? I found a pair of scissors. Quick, go and cut it. Which cable should I cut? Cut the red one. Phew. We did it. Oh my goodness, this is so scary. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. I found them. They are unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain's room. It's locked. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. We might be able to open it. Hurry it up. I found the code. It's the creature. You will pay for what you've done. Oh no. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. I brought you here. All of you. That is not possible. It is, and now it's time to die. See you in the afterlife. The captain is unconscious. The plane is falling. What are we gonna do? We need to find the autopilot button. Click everything and find that button. I found the button. Phew. We did it. We saved the plane. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? We've traced your location. Morning. And we are taking control. There's one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain. I got this. Okay, everyone, I got this. Oh no. It's back. Mwahahaha. Humans, you are funny. Last chance. Tony Landlander. Crash this plane, and we will rule the underworld for eternity. This has to be done. Foolish humans. All this time you trusted Tony Landminder and O2, and he was always on my side. Now take us home, Tony Landminder. Uh-oh. Mwahahaha. Victory? Did we win? Alright guys, well, I'm not sure if we won. Oh, we won, okay. Well, see you next time, bye.